amadoda amanye akayazi ukushela, yazi akayazi ukushela, and inkinga lento le. As far as I know, amadoda are masters of ukushela, but lately something is happening. Yesterday I went to Pick n Pay. I wanted to buy something for the house. Mangfika laphiyana, there were roses. I get it's the month of love, so there are roses there, and I'm trying to see which ones I want to buy for myself. Nangi indoda le yomzulu yafika yathi kimi, ufuna maphi kulawa, ufuna maphi? Hey, ngiyahleka because hayi ufuna maphi? Hayi ngiyamabonza kere ngifuna lawa. Then this guy says to me, yeah, mangukuthengela mina nawe sesiyajola. Yo. Abuto mangukuthengela lawe mina nawe sesiyajola. So ngiyambuza ke how awuyazi yini ukushela? Ushela kanje? Hayi yeka ungamali uyeke. So I ended up buying myself those flowers because what is this? Rekela motho maplomo se dijona. You don't know this person, how we treat basadi jwang. You know nothing apart from the fact that uthe mangukuthengela sesiyajola, which means what? The minute they buy something for you, they have some sort of entitlement. They feel now you belong to them or they own you. That's why you must be very careful when it comes to receiving gifts from men, because who don't just do things for free. They want something in return. Mablomo give 250 in return for buying mablomo at 250. Mara ganjani, because one, how means muto, and el is worth 250. His proposal is worth 250. You don't know. How does he talk to you? Even the way anashalaka tengwa nanjoro tsweletsile motho. I ke motse ke ra wa ya zukshela yini na. Ai ya bona ro fedile matla. A itsamaela, which was the truth, because ushela kanjani kanje. How to impress motho? Re ke mablomo. Can I get your number? I'd love to take you out for coffee sometime if you don't mind. Great. We're there's something. But already utusitse the vibrational rato, utusitse the vibrational excitement. The fact that you said which ones do you want? Which ones would you like to have? Oh lawa. Oh yeah, but already mutu wa plasha what lower, because how? You actually went out of your way to buy a stranger flowers, right? And Officer, your number, can I take you out for coffee when you are free? And then later, how rumele WhatsApp ring hi. Wabua clearly. Hi, Lebo. This is so and so. We met at Pick n Pay earlier. I hope you are enjoying the flowers. Care more. An element of care. I hope you're enjoying the flowers. Looking forward to seeing you again. Or something. I could say, man, ibanale zest for approaching Batu. Especially, I could say, ibanale zest. Marasna zest. Then retake my plomo, you go home. No one owns you. No one feels entitled. You are free. You are free. Mara hai, the pickup lines are luna matsatinga. Hey, omonga fihle. I like you. No, let's just do this life thing. Sareleba holo, are jole, joang, tswafa o shela, ba tswafa o shela. So, Lukisa ndi pickup lines are luna. Hai.